Stephen wanted a breakdown of this Fred Hammond bass lick. So you want to learn a saucy bass lick. This is actually a lick, one lick for once, that comes from myself. Something I've combined using what I've learnt from loads of these other gospel bass licks that I've transcribed from players like Sire Reed, Mono Neon, Joe Cleveland, Thaddeus Trebet, Thad Johnson, many other bass players. You can check out my 20 bass lick series. In fact, check out the playlist I've got here where I've got a load of videos where I've done lick breakdowns. I treat this lick more like a combination of more fusion influence along with the gospel typical pentatonic sound. It sounds like this. Okay, so this is a really saucy lick. It's over kind of E flat minor chord. So what gives it that tension at the beginning is because we're playing a note that's a semitone apart. Okay, so we're hitting the minor 9, na, 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 and then we're hitting that minor 3rd on top. And I'm letting the notes ring out. So when you slide up into the major 9 from the E flat, which is the 15th fret on your 2nd string, you're going to hit the 11th fret on your 1st string, and it's going to sound quite dissonant by itself because they're a semitone apart. Horrible thing. But together it creates this moment of tension and a little moment of surprise that your ear's not expecting to hear, and then it gets relieved into a normal sort of your typical pentatonic run that you hear all the time in gospel bass influenced music and gospel bass players. So it's like tiny bit of tension, little bit out there, everything's diatonic, everything belongs, it's in key, but it's just the tension between these two notes here that gives it that colour. And that's a very kind of Hadrian, or at least I kind of got influenced by Hadrian through some of the stuff that he plays in this kind of close voicing type of shapes. It's just a really tasty feel to get under your playing. So once you get back to here, we've got 9 root in relation to the E flat. 9 root flat 7. Then you're gonna go 4 5 flat 7, and then I slide from the 5th to the 4th, which is just 12th fret to 11th fret. Sorry, 13th fret to 11th fret, which is just 4 flat 3 root note for our minor chord. And that in itself is a great little chunk to take away and put into other play, or even just and that's kind of where I say take the lick, take the transcription comes into play, so you can kind of take little chunks of what you hear little bits that you like, and add that into your playing in other ways. So guys, it's a really quick one today. take the lick, take the transcription, practice it in different keys, add it into your playing. Yes, this one there is tab available. Check out the link below and check out the playlist where I've got all the lick breakdowns that I've done, so you guys can binge out on that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay bass cleft.